Hey Junior Giants, today we're going to do a fun science experiment called the Giant Launch. Did you know both baseball and softball incorporate both science and math? Well, today we're going to learn a little bit about launch angles.
Do you know what a launch angle is? A launch angle is the vertical up and down angle that the ball leaves your bat after being hit. This is also known as trajectory.
So what exactly is trajectory? Trajectory means the path an object like a ball takes while moving through the air.
Before we get started with our experiment, there's a few more words we need to learn.
Our first definition is matter. Do you know what matter is? Matter is anything that takes up space, like this hat, ball, and bat.
So for example, this baseball weighs about 5 ounces, so its mass is 5 ounces.
The last word we need to learn about is angle. An angle is the space between two lines that cross. This is usually measured in degrees.
Okay, Junior Giants, so now that we know what trajectory, matter, mass, and angles are, we're going to get started with our giant launch.
Next, we're going to launch different types of balls, and the goal is to see which goes the farthest.
We are going to launch a hard ball, a squishy ball, and a softball. Which one do you think will go the farthest?
So first, we're going to start with a softball. Should we launch it straight up at the sky, on the ground, or somewhere in the middle?
I think we should launch it straight up in the sky.
All right, guys, are you ready for this launch? On the count of 3. 1, 2,
2,
3.
Ooh! Wow, look how high that went.
Let's try the squishy ball next. Which angle should we launch it at? Straight up, somewhere in the middle, or straight down?
Let's do it on the ground.
I think we're ready to launch. Count with me. And
3, 2, 1.
That didn't go very far. Maybe we should try the baseball.
All right. You guys think we should launch this one in the middle this time?
Sounds good. Count down with us. Ready? 3,
2, 1.
Whoa, that went pretty far. Which one went the farthest?
The baseball went further. Do you know why? It went further because the mass, or weight of the ball, will affect the trajectory. So the baseball traveled further than the squishy ball because it's heavier.
Did the ball go further when it went straight up in the air, like a pop fly, down the middle, like a line drive, or on the ground, like a grounder?
It went further when we did it like a line drive. The angle of the ball actually determined how it was launched.
So, how does this experiment relate to baseball or softball?
Knowing the angle of the ball will change the way you approach when you swing or when you catch.
Even Giants players study the path the ball takes so they can field the ground ball and make the out.
So now you know what is the best angle to throw or hit the baseball.
When playing defense, you can see whether you need to go forward or backward when the ball comes off the bat.
Thanks for doing the Giant launch with us today. And lastly, go
Giants and go Junior Giants!